Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming notifications are enabled for the messaging app, because without that nothing appears. Once done, wake the screen or unlock the phone and swipe down from the top edge to open the notification bar. A quick swipe reveals recent alerts. Make sure to glance for sender name and short preview to decide next steps. This reduces taps. If you're on the lock screen, pause and check whether previews are shown before interacting. Once the bar is visible, target the specific message notification and tap or pull it down to expand. That reveals the full text and any media attached. On some devices, you can use 2 fingers to expand several notifications, which saves time. Use that when triaging. Make sure to notice action buttons like Reply, Mark as Read, or Open. Reply sends a quick inline response without launching the full app, whereas Open brings you into the conversation for context. Finish by choosing the action that fits. Tap Reply to send a short answer, or Open to view the full thread and media. If you want the alert gone, swipe it left or right to dismiss, or use Clear All to tidy the bar. Long press a notification to adjust its settings or to snooze similar alerts. If messages don't appear, make sure Do Not Disturb and Battery Saver are off, and verify app notification permissions in settings. That usually fixes missing notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.